In this video, we'll take a look at how to set up booking times and availability in your SimplyBook.me account. In order to configure general working hours, you can go to Settings, Company Opening Hours. Use the drop-down menus to adjust the available times, toggle days on and off, add and remove break times as necessary. If you'd like to set up the same working hours for all days, you can configure a single day and use the Copy Schedule button to apply it to every day of the week. The settings are saved automatically every time you make a change. If you're offering multiple services with varying schedules or have a number of service providers available at different times, please make sure that your company opening hours cover all the necessary times. You'll be able to further customize the schedules for each service, class, or provider within the times you've configured for your company in their respective time settings or when configuring them on the Manage pages. Please note that booking slots will only be available as long as the relevant service and provider have overlapping schedules and the configured openings match or exceed the duration of the booking. For instance, if the duration of a given service is 1 hour, you should make sure that both the relevant service and provider have at least 1 hour long openings. If you'd like to set up date-specific events, custom schedules, vacations, or holidays, you can go to the Special Days schedule and click on a date to configure it. You can also set up days off by toggling the working day switch or enable work days when otherwise you have a day off. The exceptions you configure can easily be spotted in the Special Days schedule. Yellow markers represent company special days, while red ones represent service, provider, or class ones. In order to revert to your regular schedule, you can simply click Clear Special Day. Please note that special days have priority over the weekly schedule for a given date. So once a special day is added, only the times configured for that date will be available for booking. The same applies to service, class, and provider schedules as well. If you'd like to disable weekly availability and offer booking slots strictly on specific dates, you can simply toggle the switch to set the schedule to special days only. Multiple special dates can be configured by enabling the Group Dates selection switch, choosing the necessary dates, and clicking Setup Schedule. The Advanced Settings menu offers an alternative layout which can be handy when setting up booking times using a shorter time frame. If you'd like your clients to be able to choose from a wider range of time slots, you can consider using our Appointment at Fixed Time feature. Let's take a quick look at how to adjust the time frame if you need to accommodate custom booking durations. Navigate to Settings, Main Configuration, Event Date and Time Related Settings. For example, if your service duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, you should set the time frame to 30 minutes to accommodate this. Only change the time frame if absolutely necessary, since it may be impossible to switch it back to a greater value once a given time frame has been used anywhere in the system. Lastly, you can adjust the minimum and maximum allowed time before service booking to determine how near and far into the future your clients can book. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.